Hello, welcome to Redesign Engineering. Today I'll show how to assemble an object in Solidworks software. It will be the pattern making. Now I'm going to the file and taking the new page. I'm selecting the assembly, then OK. Then I'm going to the browse, taking the number one part. After that, then again browse, uh, going to the assemble and insert the components, taking the part 2. We are watching the two parts is here. You can see also the male parts and female parts. Now I am going to select the mats. After that I am clicking on this portion, I mean the female part. Then I am click on this male part. Then OK. Join is done. After that I am selecting this portion and selecting this portion. It will be adjust. Then OK. Again OK. You are watching the object is done. The pattern making is done. You are watching the whole object is created. I think got it how to assembling two objects SolidWorks software. You think that you are benefited, subscribe the channel and share, and also press the bell icon to get the new videos. If you think that you are confused, then comment in comment box. Thank you everybody. Thank you for watching this video.